And in the same references, we got we participated in Nasiba event in Abu Dhabi for the Healthcare Summit in 2011. So this is a completely exhibition which have booths available for the product demonstration. In between the time there were the dice for the delegates who have the industry experts speaks on different topics and all these things. In the same reference, in the conference hall, there was one discussion going on in between the delegates who are the industry expert from the healthcare industry. Few of them are participated from the Emirates group, so that is again from government protocols. And a huge discussion going on, and they were fighting with each other with one topic, and the long argument session is going on. So ultimately then one of them decided that let us take a call from the audience, and they declared that anybody available to handle this question. Then always this is my liking, as it is a healthcare. I tried, why should not I try and give some inputs to them, when maybe it work out or not. And I took that opportunity. I went on a stage and handled that session for 35 to 40 minutes, and it was appreciated by the government authorities, Safiuddin Lokhandwala and Abdul Azima. She was again that time health in charge from that territory, and that reference gave me an opportunity to establish HIS in MSc, the order which I have shared with you previously. So this is the one. So even you people can realize nowadays also I had completed my education in Marathi medium, so always there is a threat of flashing the database from come up with the data bank with the proper terminologies and all these things. But I never kept that threat in my mind. I thought that I have a good experience of healthcare industry. I have studied a lot. So I am confident to share this information, and I took that opportunity and discussed that things. That was a one good experience with me. And the bad experience, I am from a Jain community, 100% vegetarian. You are not allowed with the eggs, and keeps on traveling in Gulf territories. So I have to carry my complete kitchen with me, a rice pot and the tea maker and everything. So that's one problem. And the major problem is that the non-availability of airport in Kolhapur. Every month, at least 2 to 3 times we used to travel, that staff member, even the team member, even myself, we have to travel to Pune, catch the flight from Pune. If the international, then we have to travel to the Mumbai. So this is one problem which I am facing, in particularly from the geographical limitation or the territorial problem.
Your choice of doing business in Kolhapur seems to be very unlike everybody rushing into Pune and Bangalore and all to do business. Share your thoughts with everybody on that. And I think you've made Kolhapur proud, and you've now created a destination.
Frankly speaking, Nandita ji, the keeping myself in career, that is a good that is a achievement in my life, because from the community which I belong and the family which I belong, they are well established people, and never thought on shifting us daughter-in-law to any other places only for the career opportunity. It was never possible. So I have to compromise, and I have to take the advantage, whatever the facility I can get from my existence. So I choose a Kolhapur because I don't have an option for that. But definitely I can say choosing a Kolhapur is not a bad choice for my entire healthcare domain. Because again I am coming on a healthcare domain because there is nothing rather than the healthcare in Manorama's profile. Yes, definitely we have a very good backbone of a hardware business which we do for a few of our clients. Because even for a healthcare we declare as a turnkey solution partner, and again that is a USP with the competitors, that we took a complete project for big hospitals, right from the networking, hardware and everything. And for myself, I have a very good knowledge about the hardware infrastructure, the networking protocol. I have a major certificates with me from the IBM for the I series, then the P series. I sold out the major P series in Kolhapur territory. So again, it's again an advantage to being in Kolhapur that the people knows what's only a technology. It's a technological firm. Even they are right now there we got the people who understand that the hardware and software are the different protocol. But I used to handle the calls that Ashwini, we want to buy a TV. Which product should we buy? Because it's a technology. So that was the previous part also, that many hospital infrastructure I handle in the way that okay, I'll purchase a laptop from you. With the Windows you have to give me the patient registration form. Then there was a bit exercise required, and even I'll come on that point later, that how I get involved in a healthcare, because
Yes.
that was the strength. So we have to train the people on that platform and then used to set up. But considering my limitation, my availability of resources, I enjoy doing business in Kolhapur. The advantage of developing the software in Kolhapur that we get a technical resources available easily, because it's surrounded by almost 22 engineering colleges all around the Kolhapur. So getting a technical resources is again a easy part for us. Again, on other platform, there is always problem to get a good resources for the front end operation, for the specifically the market expansion and all these things. That is again a limitation being a upcoming city. So I consider that it's a pros and cons, that maybe with the competition of Pune market, maybe I'm not able to achieve this much what I have achieved today. Again, it's a depend, like I'm comfortable with Kolhapur.
Oh, that's good. I mean, there are people who build cities, like what the Kirloskars did to Pune or Telco did to Pune. So I suppose you will do that for Kolhapur, for the IT industry, because she does take a lot of interest in spearheading the Kolhapur IT part, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Now coming back to that question about how did you get into the healthcare industry? I think that is your domain now, and you'd love to speak about that.
But as specifically instructed by Vishwas that Ashwini, you are not supposed to speak about the healthcare. You have to tell something about yourself, not on the product line. So I'll definitely take care for that things. Yeah, a small journey of my life to come into this entrepreneurship protocol. I started my career in IT at the age of 18 years. I was working as a faculty for Aptech Computer Education for C and C++ programming languages, only in the evening for 1.5 hours. That was permitted by my mom, because doing a job in
Yes.
such a small age not at all allowed, because you have to focus on your education and all that thing was there. And that time at the age of 18 years, I used to take the classes for the engineering students, keep busy myself to develop their projects with different new ideas, antivirus development and games creation and all that things. So I spent that time in this. At the age of 21, I was felicitated by the collector of Sangli for doing the computerization of election department for 1997. And Nandita ji, you don't believe that tender was that time costing rupees 55 lakhs rupees, and it was a great experience for me, and I learned a lot of things, managing the resources, completing a project in a stipulated time, handovering of the project to the government authorities. When I'm talking about the government authorities, it is on the taluka base and the district level. So that exercise was a great experience even for the current Manorama's profile. Then I worked for a Y2K solution till 2000 with the Neo company, for particularly this sector. And then I decided to start a software company, and I launched or registered Manorama Infosystem proprietary company in 2000 and started working on a customized software. The company was registered under the software protocol, but that time also I worked as a trading company who goes and take the orders from the customer for the customized application, deploy that small application, gain the money from that. But same time I was completely trying to understand the complete niche area or a particular untouched domain where I can build a ERP structure, because it was a dream from my college days that I want to develop